That dreaded cliff sensor error, popping up on your Roborock S7 again? Been there, cleaned that, or rather, tried to clean that. The Roborock S7's inability to move properly due to cliff sensor issues is a frustratingly common problem for many owners. This frustrating problem usually means the sensors responsible for detecting drops and preventing falls are malfunctioning. They might be dirty, damaged, or simply failing due to wear and tear. Ignoring this problem can lead to more than just incomplete cleaning cycles. It can result in your robot vacuum crashing into obstacles. Don't let a simple cliff sensor error turn your smart home into a disaster zone. RoboCare makes fixing your Roborock S7 easy. Our expert technicians diagnose and fix your Roborock S7's cliff sensor problems quickly and efficiently. We use genuine replacement parts and ensure your Roborock is back to its best. And don't worry about the complexity. We'll handle everything, leaving you with a worry-free and fully functional robot vacuum. Simply book a repair online, schedule a convenient pickup with our courier service, and let our expert technicians work their magic. And now, let's see the amazing results RoboCare achieves for our satisfied customers. See the difference? After a quick turnaround at RoboCare, this Roborock S7 is back to its spotless best. Our skilled technicians identified and fixed the faulty cliff sensor, restoring its full functionality. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
My Roborock S7 is back to its old self, cleaning my floors like a champ. It's so much better than before, and I'm so relieved. The whole experience with RoboCare was incredibly positive. Their service was prompt, professional, and incredibly convenient. They saved me money, time, and a whole lot of frustration.
Don't let a little sensor problem stop you from enjoying a sparkling clean home. Visit our website or call us today for fast, reliable repairs.